Welcome to Burlap Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove acorn dents from car, easy method. Start by assessing dent depth and paint condition to avoid damage. Use a plunger or hot water method for small rounded dents, and consider a hairdryer and compressed air combo for stubborn spots. Always clean the area first and work slowly in short bursts to preserve paint and metal. The plunger method is simple and effective for shallow acorn dents. Press a clean, cup-style plunger over the dent and moisten the rim for a better seal. Pull with steady, even pressure and repeat a few times if needed. If the dent holds, try warming with hot water first to soften the metal and retry. Always avoid jerky motions that could stretch paint or crease the panel. Using heat and cold exploits metal expansion and contraction to remove acorn dents. Warm the dent with a hairdryer for 30 seconds to 2 minutes, then spray compressed air upside down to rapidly cool the spot. The sudden contraction can cause the dent to pop back into place. If edges are raised after popping, tap them gently with a rubber mallet on a covered surface to smooth the panel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.